Okay, let's see this question. This question came in NEET 2016. It is based on wave optics, Young's double slit experiment. So the intensity at the maximum in the Young's double slit experiment is I naught. Distance between two slits is d equal to 5 lambda, where lambda is the wavelength of light used in the experiment. What will be the intensity in front of one of the slits on the screen placed at a distance capital D equal to 10 times small d? Okay. So first thing we know that let's draw the double slit experiment first. So if each slit is creating an intensity I1, let's write down intensity due to individual slit is I1. Then the maximum intensity on screen will be how much? Maximum intensity of interference. And that is what is given in the question as I naught. Maximum intensity is given as I naught. So I naught will be 4 times I1. So from here we can say that I1 will be equal to I naught by 4. Now in the question they are asking intensity in front of one of the slits on the screen. So I want to find the intensity at this particular point. Okay, so for this point, y from the central maxima will be how much? So y will be equal to d by 2, right? Because this total slit separation is small d. Okay, so if I draw one more line from here, okay, so this is the ray coming from S1 and S2 at the given point. All right, then if I drop a perpendicular, wait, if I drop a perpendicular over here, then this will be delta x path difference. So we know that path difference delta x divided by small d equal to y by capital D. Okay, so we can find now delta x will be y small d by capital D. Y is equal to small d by 2. Okay, into small d, and capital D is what? 10 times small d is given in the question. Okay, so this will be equal to d by 20. We found the path difference. Now wavelength is 5 lambda. So capital small d is 5 lambda. So path difference equal to 5 lambda by 20, that is equal to lambda by 4. So we can easily find the phase difference. So phase difference phi will be 2 pi by lambda into lambda by 4. So phi will be equal to pi by 2. Okay, now we use the formula for intensity. So intensity net intensity is what? I1 plus I2 plus 2 root I1 I2 cos phi. So cos phi means cos of pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. So I net in this case will be equal to I1 plus I2. But since both the sources have same intensity, so this will be equal to 2 times I1 because I1 equal to I2. And we have I1 equal to I naught by 4. So I net equal to 2 times I naught by 4. So that is equal to I naught by 2. So the correct option will be over here, option D. Okay.